Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do a drugstore full glam for you guys. Let's jump right into it. So I like to prep my skin with skincare. It's something that I've been doing for a little bit of time. This is the Garnier Balancing Facial Mist, and I'm just going to use this just to hydrate my skin before I go in with the Neutrogena Hydroboost multivitamin booster. This one does have hyaluronic acid, and I'm going to take 2 pumps of this product, and then I'm going to blend it into my skin. Kind of give you guys that slow-mo action. Then I'm taking the Vitamin C Serum from Pixi, and this is just going to act as a brightener and just add some more nutrients to my skin. Taking the Rimmel Stay Matte Primer, I'm going to prime my skin before I go in with my foundation and this Real Techniques blending sponge. This is the Infallible Fresh Wear in shade 500. This foundation is really nice. I've used this one quite a few times. I always feel like my skin looks really good. It's a nice even coverage and it looks great throughout the day. Then I'm going to take the flat end of that Real Tech brush and I'm going to start blending that product out, only using a thin layer and then going in any areas where I need a little bit more coverage. Taking the Rimmel Stay Matte Concealer and the e.l.f. Concealer as well, I'm just going to start highlighting the center of my face. Blending that out with the round side of the Real Techniques sponge, making sure that everything is nicely blended so that you don't see any of the lines and so that it smoothly transitions into the foundation. Grabbing the Covergirl, this is the Trueblend's banana powder. This is their setting powder. I'm just going to set under my eyes, all of the areas that I set in my T-zone just to keep any oils at bay while I'm wearing my full face glam. I'm taking that on the same sponge that I used to do my foundation and concealer, and I'm just going to lightly dab that product in. Taking the Bronze Please, this one is by Loreal. I'm just going to warm up my skin just a tad. And this is just to bring some of my features back. Grabbing this peach blush from ColourPop, I'm just going to take this on a NYX Cosmetics. This is their fan brush. And I'm going to apply that to the apples of my cheeks, bringing that product upward so that it gives me a nice flush of color. Grabbing this shady slim pencil from LA Girl in medium brown, I'm just going to start filling in my brows, feathering the front ends, and just giving myself a nice clean tail. Using the spoolie side just to blend any product out so it doesn't look too harsh at the front of the brow. Taking the NYX Cosmetics, this is the Matte Finish Setting Spray, and I'm just going to add a few spritz to my face. This is just going to lock everything in. Taking the Desert Oasis palette from BH Cosmetics, I'm going to give you guys a nice shimmery neutral look, starting off with this first shade right here, going right into the crease, blending that out on the end, and just bringing it all the way into the inner tear duct. Taking this on a flat definer brush. This brush is also from BH Cosmetics. I'm just going to bring that same eyeshadow right on to my lash line and blending it out so it connects with the top part of the shadow. Taking this next shade in Dune, I'm going to go slightly lower just to add some depth and dimension to this eye before I go in with the final shade. I'm going to go right into that outer crease portion and create that nice smoky effect. And all of the neon brushes that you see me using throughout the video, those are all from the BH Cosmetics. It's like a 12-piece set, I want to say. And they're actually really, really good. I'm always grabbing for these. And this is one of my favorite drugstore products. This is the Milani, the Playline in their gold glam shade. So beautiful. It's like a liquid gold product. And you apply it. I apply it like eyeliner. I just kind of carve out the crease of my eye, fill that in, and then just use my finger to blend out the outer edges so that it's nice and smooth. And I don't know what it is about the formula, but the more you kind of touch it and play with it, that's when it kind of turns into like a shimmery powder. It's so stunning. Love this product so much. I'm always using this, and this is kind of my like signature look. I feel like I do this look a lot. So I wanted to show you guys how to do it with drugstore products if you're ever interested in doing something similar. Here is just a cute little close-up moment. So I'm drawing out that crease so you guys can see nice and perfect, slightly above my crease area. And then I'm just going to start filling that in just like you fill in any other product like a lipstick, and then I'm gonna start blending that out. I like to do this before the product sets. Then you go in with a little bit more product just to fill in that second portion. And you do the same thing, you blend it out with your finger and you're all done. Going back in with that same chocolate shadow, I just want to add some more depth to the outer V, some that was kind of lost when I was blending out that gold shade, and taking that same brown shade and going right into the lash line as well. Taking this CoverGirl mascara, I'm just going to add a few coats before I go in with the Demi Wispies. They're super pretty, very like natural and light. I'm also using the Duo Glue. This is the one with the green, it's like the green packaging. It's my favorite one out of the Duo line. I'm not crazy about the all white one, but this one has a really nice hold. It turns clear and it's pretty easy to work with. Taking the Pixi, this is the Subtle Sunrise highlighter, and one of the brushes from the BH Cosmetics set. I'm just going to grab this golden shade, start blending this out. It's such a beautiful highlight. It melts right into the foundation, which is why I love this one. Looks gorgeous on the skin, and it also photographs really pretty. Taking the ColourPop liner and the Miriam Maquillage collab lipstick, such a beautiful combo. I'm gonna take this brown liner and this nude lip, which is also my favorite combo, and I'm just gonna start lining my lips, filling it in, and that's going to give me this perfect lip that's gonna go with this golden eye. And here is the final look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it. Let me know if you like the style of video. I am going to be incorporating more drugstore videos into my channel because you guys have been asking for them. So just leave me a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.